In today's digital world, having an online presence is everything. Whether you're a professional, an entrepreneur, or someone simply looking to stand out, having control over how people perceive you online is everything. But here's the problem. Most of us rely on social media profiles to represent us. And let's be honest, social media are not designed for you to stand out. Everyone's profiles looks the same, and you're always at the mercy of algorithm changes, limited customization, or the risk of your platform disappearing overnight. So today, I'm going to show you something that could completely change the way people perceive you online. Why you need your own personal website. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this is probably one of the best investments you can do in yourself and in your career. If you're new, hi, I'm Pau. I'm a web developer and I help entrepreneurs boost their digital presence. And before you ask, yes, having a website costs us a few dollars a month, but I promise it's worth every penny. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, control over your online identity. Let's talk about LinkedIn for a moment. When somebody wants to reach out to you professionally, where do they search? LinkedIn, right? But here's the thing. Everyone's profile looks exactly the same. On LinkedIn, you're stuck with their templates, their sections, and their format. Want to add a video introduction? Can't put it at the top. Want to showcase your portfolio in a creative way? Sorry, you're stuck with their sections. With your website, you break free from these limitations. You get to decide what you showcase first, what the user sees first. Do you want to show your latest work? Or do you want to showcase a testimonial? Or maybe it's just a video of yourself with your personality shining through. For example, instead of listing skills like project management or marketing strategy, you get to showcase with visuals, case studies, or maybe even interactive elements that LinkedIn simply doesn't support. And here's something else. LinkedIn changes its design and features all the time. Remember when they removed that last feature you left? With your own website, you're in complete control. No surprise elements, no features change overnight. Plus, when you meet someone and they say, I'll check you up online, wouldn't you rather send them to your custom website that tells a story exactly the way you want it to be told, rather than a cookie-cutter LinkedIn profile that looks exactly like everyone else's? Reason number 2, stand out professionally. A website is your digital business card, except it's way more powerful. Whether you're applying for a job, a freelance, or building your brand, it automatically makes you look more professional. Let's say you're applying for a job. The hiring manager is looking at dozens of resumes, the same bullet points, the same team player description. But then, bam, they click your link and you're on your website where you showcase your work. You provide testimonials and you even have your own video with an introduction of yourself. That's what makes you memorable. This works even if you're not job hunting. Maybe you're a coach or a freelancer or a consultant. Having a personal website will instantly make you look more professional. It builds trust before you even meet someone. Think about it. When you meet someone at a conference or pitch to a potential investor, what will they think when they land in your website that's specifically tailored to showcase your talents and vision? And most hiring managers and investors will look you up online. Having a clean, professional website shows that you understand personal branding. It demonstrates that you not only take initiative, but think ahead. Reason number 3, showcase your work and your achievements. This is big. Your website is where your best work lives. Whether you're a designer, a writer, or a dog sitter, your website is your showcase. Quick question. If someone asked you to show your best work, what would you send them? A Google Drive folder? A PDF? Not great, right? Your website not only shows your best work, but tells a story. For example, if you're a barista, instead of listing your skills on a boring resume, you can showcase your latte art. You can put pictures, videos, and show those amazing skills. If you're a writer, you can share your best articles or case studies. If you're a dog sitter, you can display happy testimonials from dog owners and share pictures with their pets. Plus, you're not limited to boring bullet points. You can show processes, ideas, behind-the-scenes works. Imagine a resume that proves that you're good at problem solving instead of just claiming it. Reason number 4, personal branding and networking. Networking is all about connections. and a website makes it so much easier for people to find and remember you. We talked about conferences and investors before, but that's just the beginning. A website lets you include a contact form, links to your social media platform, and different ways to reach out. This is key for networking, a central place where potential customers, collaborators, or employers can reach out to you directly. These open doors to opportunities you didn't even know existed. People might find your website through Google search or recommendation and reach out with offers that would have never come your way otherwise. Finally, reason number 5. Flexibility and growth. And here's what I love the most. A website grows with you. You can update it, change it, and adapt it as your career evolves. Here are some of the iterations my personal website has gone through the years, from being a student to a YouTuber. All very different to each other, right? Building a website is an investment that pays off for years. You're not building just a site, you're building your future. Let's recap. A personal website gives you control over your online identity, a professional edge, a place to showcase your work, more opportunities for networking, and the flexibility to grow. If you haven't started your own website yet, now's the time. There are tools like Wix, Squarespace, and Webflow that make this process incredibly simple. Most of them include the domain for the first year, and you can simply pick one of the templates and start updating the content with drag and drop. No coding skills needed. If you found this video helpful, check out my video about how to boost your digital presence with your visual identity. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create a step-by-step guide on how to create your own personal website. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.